Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're exploring an exciting new feature in modern SharePoint. A brand new template gallery and over 50 professionally designed out-of-the-box page templates. Firstly, go to your SharePoint site where you want to create a new page or news post. In this demo, on the home page of your SharePoint site, click the Edit button in the top right corner to begin editing the page. This will allow you to add a section template. Hover your mouse between existing sections or at the bottom of the page until you see a line with a plus sign. Click that section button. A layout menu will appear with different column options. In this demo, I just select one column. Then, look at the right-hand side of the page. If the toolbox panel is not already open, click the toolbox icon to expand it. Scroll down to see the available Microsoft Design section templates. You'll notice there are several templates available, each designed for different content needs. Simply click the template thumbnail to insert it into your page. Once added, the section appears directly in your page layout. Replace placeholder text, images, and web parts with your actual content. When you're done, click on the Republish. That's how you use the new section template experience in modern SharePoint. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more SharePoint tips and Microsoft 365 updates.